In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDC crypto on Kraken in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it perfect for both new and experienced investors. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Kraken account. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one, but for this video, I assume you've already passed that step. Once logged in, your dashboard is your gateway to Kraken's numerous features, but today we're focusing on buying USDC. Next, head over to the Buy Crypto section. This is where the magic happens. This section is designed to be intuitive, making the buying process as simple and seamless as possible. You'll see several options and listings of cryptocurrencies which might seem overwhelming, but don't worry, stay with me here. Now search for USDC. The search bar is your friend here. Typing USDC quickly narrows down your options and helps you efficiently locate the stablecoin we're looking for. Once you see USDC on your screen, simply select it. At this point, you're getting closer to your purchase, so hang tight. After selecting USDC, it's time to decide how much you'd like to buy. Enter the amount in the field provided. Whether you want a small amount just to test the waters or a larger sum, the choice is yours. Make sure to double check the current price to ensure it aligns with your budget and investment strategy. At this stage, you'll need to choose your payment method. Kraken gives you several options, including paying through your bank, using your debit or credit card, or paying from your existing Kraken balance. Consider which method is most convenient for you and select it from the available options. Each method may have different processing times and fees, so keep an eye on those details as you proceed. Finally, review all your details to make sure everything looks correct. This is your last chance to verify the purchase amount, the currency, and the payment method. Everything in order? Great. Now go ahead and confirm the purchase. Once you confirm, Kraken processes the transaction and you'll soon see your newly purchased USDC in your account balance. And that's it. You've successfully bought USDC on Kraken. The entire process is quite direct and efficient, making it easy for anyone to participate in the growing world of cryptocurrency. Keep exploring and learning to maximize your investments. Thanks for watching and happy trading.